Wow, what is this? I need it for index.
It's mine.
Cool. This gives me so much.
Hey bacon girl,
What?
that's mine.
You said that already.
Yeah, so, can I get it back?
How about no?
Just give it back.
Don't make me hit you again.
What's going on here?
Bacon girl took my brainerd for index and won't give it back.
I can fix that. Run and get it before she comes back.
Imagine need help with stealing. Scammer.